Right, later on this morning, as you can tell, can you hear? Down there. Somebody somewhere's playing something. Anyway, here we go. I don't like this selfie stick. Anyway, my wife was back yesterday, so yeah, I think it's the first time I've telly on. Apart from all little bits that I watch. Anyway, what's through the curtain? That's what we did yesterday. So today I'm wanting to really get up to all the top of there. Over there. And if I can, that wall, and maybe that wall, all these top fiddly bits, these are the ones that take a bit longer, putting the straight one on the good. Start off by taking all the spaces out first. Maybe give it a wipe, but I'm pretty clean, so they're not that. I'm messy on myself, and as you can see. And guess what? Yeah, I got my shorts on. So, it's time for me to get going, and last bathroom, this is it, 2 or 3 more days and I'm gone, till next one, see ya. Howdy, that was a difficult bit done. Have we had a weather forecast today? I don't believe we have, let's have a look. Water, dark sky, raining. Oh, I've actually done what I set out to do this morning, and I've had some lovely chicken for dinner, and I'm going back in. Let's have a look.
Just exactly the kind of person he is. He's a cruel, mean bully. And he's a liar. I mean, what kind of a liar and an egomaniac? He stands there in front of the press and he tells them, this is a law, it must be done, it's a democratic law. And the press says, well, no, it's not a law. And he tells them, be quiet. And they be quiet. That really gets me. One of them scream at him.
Right. Good morning. How is everybody on this lovely sunny day? And it is sunny, look at that, through this little window. It's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, yesterday, we did all this, we finished all this off. I started this on, Tuesday. Yesterday, did all the tops, the bottoms, that wall, down there. And just in there. So it's generally fiddly bits, and today I'm going to start on that bottom wall and marry it all up into this window, and hopefully I'll be off my knees by dinner time. Maybe it's 2 o'clock. I want to be off my knees by 2 o'clock. That means up to there. So let's go. See you soon, folks. Bye bye. That's it. Oh. Got plasterboard. And we'll go out this. Done. tiled it. Well, little tiny bits round there. That's it, just this floor to do. So, see what I feel. I might have tomorrow off. 3 o'clock. Starting grouting it, I'll still be here at 5, I don't want to be here at 5. So, I might go into one grouting, see how I feel, but if not, I'm back Monday and then have a little break before next job. I have 2 or 3 days off and that's it. So, yeah, quietly yours. I'm gone. See you folks.